The year was 1793, in the bustling town of New Haven, Connecticut. Eli Whitney, a young inventor with a mind brimming with ideas, stood in the midst of a cotton field, his gaze focused on the laborers toiling under the scorching sun. The sight of their hardship ignited a spark in his heart, a spark that would soon revolutionize the world. The cotton industry, once a thriving sector, had become a labor-intensive, time-consuming process. The separation of cotton seeds from cotton fibers was a painstaking task, performed primarily by enslaved African Americans. The inefficiency of this process, coupled with the growing demand for cotton, created a dire need for a solution. Eli Whitney, a Yale graduate and military engineer, saw this as an opportunity to simplify the process and alleviate the burden on the laborers. He began to conceptualize a machine that could separate cotton seeds and fibers quickly and efficiently. In the quiet of his workshop, Whitney worked tirelessly, his hands shaping metal and wood into a machine that would change the course of history. The machine, named the cotton gin, was a marvel of engineering. It used a series of teeth to efficiently remove seeds from the cotton, allowing the fibers to be easily collected. The invention of the cotton gin was a turning point in history. It drastically reduced the time and effort required to process cotton, making the crop commercially viable for small farmers. The demand for cotton skyrocketed, leading to an increase in cotton production and a boom in the American economy. However, the cotton gin also had a darker side. The efficiency of the machine meant that more cotton could be produced, leading to an increase in the demand for enslaved labor. The cotton gin, though a technological advancement, inadvertently fueled the growth of the slave trade and the institution of slavery in the United States. Eli Whitney, once hailed as a hero for his invention, was later filled with remorse. He became an advocate for the abolition of slavery, using his influence to fight for the freedom of those who had been suffering under its yoke. The cotton gin, a symbol of progress, became a reminder of the complexities and consequences of technological advancement. In the end, the cotton gin stood as a testament to the power of human ingenuity. It served as a beacon of progress, yet it also served as a stark reminder of the ethical implications of technological advancement. The invention of the cotton gin by Eli Whitney was a transformative event in history, shaping the future of the cotton industry and the United States as a whole. Yet, it also served as a reminder that with great power comes great responsibility.